Ayan. So, good afternoon, team. So, mag-share lang din ako ng quick reminder to everyone. So, for today's assignment, as you can see, or if notice ninyo, for now, I have only assigned venues only to our full-time employees, including myself. So, I will be only covering yung mga VIP venues. Pero meron akong inassign kay John Ray. I believe that yung etong drum and trot curry food, which is kabilang siya as VIP natin. So, ano na lang siguro dyan, Ray, please handle it with extra care. So, I assign it to you kasi para ma-maximize somehow yung productivity mo for today as FTE. Ayun, so given team na manageable yung current invoice volume na na-receive natin today, I will be reaching out to Olivier later to further strategize yung ating venue assignments. To check yung if yung ibang pods will be actually needing some support sa atin, and if we can take an additional venues from the other teams. So I will be running na lang din another assignment tomorrow, and will be including or prioritizing our part-time employees to Vange, and as well also to Rai, including syempre sila Joshua and also to JR. Siguro hindi na ako magpa-process ng mga VIP tomorrow kasi usually naman ganun, 'di ba? Pag Tuesday shift dapat hindi talaga ako nagwo-work na rin. So, 'yon. So for our ano na lang din, for currently kasi, yun, so currently yung VIP tsaka yung sa Roach accounts kasi ako talaga yung nagha-handle nun solely. But moving forward, I am actually already assessing yung ating venue assignments. For Roach accounts, di ba, we have two accounts from Roach. Usually kasi ako yung saan ba yun? Yung Roach, ay, hindi pala ito yun. Asan ba 'yan? Eto yung dalawang type of roach na na-handle natin is currently ako lang 'yan. Kasi medyo specific tsaka medyo critical yung mga yung ano, yung asking din ng client natin dito. So, they really wanted to process yung invoices nila ng mas specific, ng mas exact item measurement tsaka mas manual yung ito. But I will be training na lang din at least 1 to 2 team members na hindi lang ako yung magha-handle para in case na naka-scheduled leave ako, merong magha-handle pa rin nitong dalawang 'to. Account na 'to moving forward. Ayan, so siguro share lang din ako ng few reminders. Dito, please ano na lang din, please make sure na lang din to always update our Team One file tracker under the scheduled rest day. So for our part-time employees to Vanch and also to Rai, I would appreciate your help if ever po na sana update na lang ang ating tab every Monday morning, fifth, or yan, every Monday, or kung yan, kung kaya nyo Sunday or basta Monday. Kasi usually, ang aking assignment is every afternoon ng Monday, no? So, if ever, palagay na lang din dito yung preferred workdays ninyo for that week, para at least it will help me to plan the assignments ahead without needing to reach out individually rin kung kailan yung off ninyo for that week yon. Given na iba-iba yung ating time schedule din. Ayan, para at least kapag meron ng data na nilagay kayo dito or na-plot nyo na din dito, alam ko na rin paano siya i-assign din yung mga venues natin. Ayan, and then in addition to, sa mga full-time and also 'yan, sa mga part-time, sa lahat, to all team members natin. To all team members, please make sure na lang din sa lahat ng planned leaves ninyo, scheduled leaves na approved na ni Olivier, and sa mga sick leaves ninyo. Okay, make sure lang din sa pagdating halimbawa sick leave, please let me know. And also please file din yung necessary request, yung parang sa PTO rin. And then, sa PTO, sa scheduled planned leaves, please plot them in advance. If ever na i-offset nyo, for example, you wanted to offset it to another work shift, please indicate here. Kapag wala naman, leave it as blank. Kapag leave talaga siya as considered, and inyo na lang. Okay? Para at least ma-plan ko rin yung coverage natin ahead. Ayun. And then regarding with the feedback on assignments, nabasa nyo naman, or I'm not sure kung nabasa nating lahat yung regarding do sa asking ni Oliver do sa GC natin regarding with regarding with the total number of invoices na nako-complete natin a day. So if ever po, I would like to ask for your comment or for your feedback about it. kung bakit hindi tayo nakakakota or on a daily basis. For example, kung FTE ka or PTE. For example, kung overwhelmed ba yung mga ina-assign ko sa inyong mga venues, kung complicated, kung super hahaba ba, let me know. And then let me know din kung meron kayong mga suggestions. Then, feel free to share it with me din para if ever ma-adjust ko din yung magiging assignments natin moving forward. Ayun lang din yung asking kasi ni Oliver. Right now kasi hindi ko rin talaga ma-identify kung bakit yung mga ibang team members for example is hindi nakaka-hit. Given from last time parang medyo madami yung mga naging invoices ng team natin. Parang ngayon lang din talaga lumuwag, 'di ba? Starting ng Friday, yun lang din yung napansin ko. And then another reminder lang din po is si Oliver he actually asked some team members. So sa Slack natin, please make sure na lang din to respond to Oliver's PM in Slack. So as per Oliver, kinausap din niya ako bakit daw yung ibang team members is hindi sumasagot given na nag-check in tayo to check out. Meaning to say we have the access sa Slack natin at bakit hindi natin nababasa, 'di ba? So kailangan natin mag-respond do'n kasi those are reports na kailangang i-send or i-forward sa senior management or sa CEO na, ayun. And then another reminder lang din team that we will be using the Wise transfer for the payroll by the end of the month. So please ensure everything is already set up sa Wise natin. Okay. And then for VIP coverage at Joshua, in case na I am unavailable, please help me to oversee na lang din yung mga VIP venues which I have posted here, yung complete list of VIP which I am going to update it also kapag merong additional VIP venues tayong work on. Ayan. And then ano pa ba? Ayan. So for example, wala pa akong inassign then for example, you can actually use the Airtable to run those invoices or to run those venues na lang din na merong tawag dito, na merong invoices uploaded. So please make sure na lang din to filter this Airtable or this file once you download it to CSV, filter it to our pod only team 1 and then filter it sa mga unprocessed dapat may laman. So yun na lang din. Pero most of the time meron rin naman akong naa-assign na rin, 'di ba? Pero yun, I will be providing na lang din itong link na 'to na Airtable. Yun lang. Alam ko mabilis ang salita ngayon. Ayan, if ever na lang team na may questions kayo or any suggestions or concerns, feel free to reach out anytime. Ayun lang. Thank you.